We're going to continue doing some permaculture work here. Well, it's really erosion control, but a lot of people consider it to be part of permaculture.
Right, we've been doing this for years and we just haven't bothered to show it. Usually what happens is if one of us takes a walk, usually with Jack, we'll just stop and fix small problems as we see them starting. And we just haven't had the chance this winter, so we said now's the time to do it. We've got another potential storm coming in later this week. So this is a wash line here, and there's another one over there. And if we get them stopped now at the top where they're small, no big deal. If we wait till they get big, it'll be a big deal.
Yeah, we've already had some control by this piece of wood that we put here a year and a half ago. It stopped a lot of the erosion in this area, but now we have more to take care of here.
Right.
I think I use this piece.
Yep, I would.
Beep, beep, Jack.
Beep, Jack. Beep.
I'm gonna go get the wheelbarrow. I've got a bunch of rock on it.
Right. I figured I've taken some surface rocks that are not in the wash. One of the things you want to avoid doing is taking rocks from around the area where you're washing, because you'll just cause other sections to wash. So I'm actually taking some from up here. Now obviously this is nothing fancy, but this is also nothing big. And that's the whole point, to get this fixed now before it becomes something big.
I'm gonna need to get a new wheelbarrow. The axle's breaking.
Now what'll happen here is the next time we have a big rain, or even a small rain, and we get any kind of surface wash, this will build up silt behind this little pile of stuff, and it'll tend to contain this tendency to wash. Now we have a worse wash over here, and that didn't used to be here. That's new this year. Let me find the dog. There he is. Hi! You be a good puppy? He says, I am. I'm very confused. I think I would put one of the big ones right in the middle here.
That's exactly what I'm planning to do.
Mudstone. Mudstone.
Big rock, heavy rock. Shall we go down hill a little bit?
Yeah, this was this past year's storm.
Yeah, this happened when we had those couple of storms with a couple of inches of water in them.
Let's go down the hill, Jack. See what's going on around the corner here.
You can see this wash that happened in just a couple of storms last winter. There's quite a lot of erosion. This goes on our property and over onto a neighbor's property. There's not much we're going to be able to do over there, but we can do a little more in here.
Got a little weedy wash right here. Right here. Right that line. So we'll put something, just a couple of little things up at the top here, and that'll keep that from getting bigger. So I've got some surface junk I can pick up here. Let's see. J random rocks. Got another one over here too. Okay. Yeah, that's coyote poo, Jack. Yes, it is. It's coyote poo.
Yeah, one of the problems that we have is that this top of the ground is very soft. So pushing the wheelbarrow over it put a groove in the topsoil. So I'm going to go in and kick some soil back over in here to stop any erosion that might happen from that. It may not be perfect, but it'll help. How are you doing, Jack? Well, some of the brush that I put out here last year seems to have helped.
Oh yeah. Well, we didn't used to get washing on this east hill. That's a fairly new thing. I don't know why.
I think it's because the people uphill have changed the water path.
Well, that's part of it, but we haven't had as much vegetation growth on this hill
No.
in the last couple of years. So I think that the lack of vegetation has,
It's definitely hurt.
yeah.
Well, I think that's about it for today.
I think we should walk over there and see what we're going to need to do. Because what we're going to need to do is walk across the face of this hill,
Yep.
and guess there's another wash there. I can see it.
Yeah, there's actually two over there.
And if we can stop them at the top.
Well, it doesn't completely stop them, but it slows them down.
Down a lot. He's taking care of the tops of a couple of little bitty ones here.
Deer, it looks deer, or maybe it's antelope.
We didn't used to get this kind of washing. That's a new thing in the last little bit, a couple of years. But we got another one here. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to just, you can see where the soil has built up behind some of these pieces of wood. And I'm just going to
Yeah, that's where the construction was
add
going
some more
on.
into this section here. It's right there.
Yep.
Where was it? Is it on? Not on Ben and Sue's, it's on the.
No, it's Ben and Sue's. Yeah. You know, I think we're going to go take a look.
Jack says, this is fun. I get to pee on everything.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our little bit of work here trying to control some erosion on our property.
Yeah, lots more to do, but we have a sense now of what's going on at least. We just really haven't been out since the 1st of January.
I think it's time to say goodbye, Irene.
It is, so be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because obviously we're going to be doing lots more. Got lots more greenhouse, going to be planting pretty quick. Ooh, I got to do a video about what we're going to be planting. So.
And I've got a video to do on something else I'm busy working on.
Yeah, we got a bunch of projects in the works here, so. Until next time, bye.
Keep brainstorming. She does.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Jack says, this is exciting. There's poo under here.